abategereri Ultimate Roadshow Track Experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwaberirwa kurya track yiga ya roadshow iyura kolere product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoletere track yibwateri bagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eriyogiriya nigo liri ya kigema eryo lichujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo track yana boko jitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsema abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street yago tekobabuna street ndionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Wewe mwancho muligere Getembe TV karibu sana sekionga cha utokireta kaisato igoro yetinsa ikomecha bona muragoba karibu sana nchenguru ko Matilda Obaigwa na nekerongo chaka ekionga nikubono abantu babere bagendete kurwanira magimabo magikayo kwaterani wasomo basokano kwepara ase chinsemo cha daraja 2 ime yomo chibusongo emambi ya lero mubasokano yo nikubono egale yarenge uselori yabogoleti chisoda yarenge gotirimbuka korase opokatakatipo mu chibusongo yanyarako siria oboroso naboigo gotuomera seko tuoma epigipigi eyo yabugoletie omonto yomo asi abo bagenderete konyora obuwenia
ndino mukajo ga daraja no kore bya tarasaiga ngende cyabere cyo kumubona mambya na igoire ngoti peta kwa fako kutoni cyanga cyane ciro egari amanye gorogoro yemo getitona ya rusia control ya kama ndo ese baumia abairina gitari nero yani ngo slide irende nyaka no muyo nyakonyire aho driver yari ngete umye tinga ati soda jari ngo ko ekine kina tukebona mandi tinga cyo kumisana yenge ndo sabane serikali anene nyare te bari yibare yere nyere that's why wana ko nyana mnere ge timbo ko banyero nyane abana ero sigwe ese senjire rengiya yitari ko cause accident na de
chingaki emerobelio egenderete yo kumoine oyo kabere rishabiki richi radio ase emyaka emenge iyo manyakane tebuna nyagusira Joshua Mayaka gose Richone Mayaka igobono yamate yaye yesokire na gukwanira emerobelio ya matanga gose nyangi yaye yo mwelio naboigone kero babolire abarai mashabiki yechi radio naboigo nichi amate nabasani kwenekia obotoreru chingaki cy'umuyaga omonene oranyare kwenekiwa ase rituko rya ijuma na chingaki cyo nigo batebire baraganie omurembe
Jensa bina yanja mama yaka gonde reso ye Richoni mugaka Richoni namurendire emyaka emenge kera atagite kurwara orwarire ngaki entambe lakini tulenda inenere yo busabiki kiara na manyite na matuka manga achagete ekereba achagete ne keramba uti na no mocho koro bo mocha
mugaka tata igonda abege ngumunyora ekiagera tata ogosemia ari gonsemia no konene na tata kera rituko saa 11 igari gugwakira esimi osako ngakira esimi guntura na kumburia na kimogenderere tabu
na Richoni igori arengo musingi ase engenchi ekenyoro gaiga so buremi Richoni nori arenge number 1 asa o advice y'abantu Richoni nori ire number 1
ekanisa eye igari go support ekera amagachari nero renge otineta magacho ekotineta asingincho yogo support ekanisa igo Richoni aso gusugume mirimo y'ekanisa ni garenge omustari obusyo sana
asomuche ochosho mayaka oindo yomanyekanete mono na Richoni mayaka Richoni mayaka ndi atonyora chitariki sano nabo nigatogenderete n'emipango yaye wikira ritukeria rero chitariki 13 mutinyo gatano asitogenderete no korosi nyumba yaye kurwasira twachire amo kune community ekanisa na mashabiki yonsi korwa ese chinyumba cy'ubutangasaji
itukuria rero twekira senkayo mwaka Richoni mayaka asinginchu yokwenda kana kuitoni mirubiri yagendere tararo chindagara twabere tokoba kucha senkeyiga twaretire chibando twaretire omochere twaretire bias twaretire chinyeni asobwamo bapokeire bintu ebiga oyo minto omosene tatoire itukuri chuma una masabiki igotura iga chinsa cha mapema tubwatira nemirubiri iga amone family kenyoro kanisa abatura umera nase ngenjo yogo cha kurwa masikani yo mweri asomurubiri we Richoni tochiche turabatoereru ikiagera abagena abange baraje
na umurai wense ya Kenya kubwatirana nensemo etenete ebigambiro nigo lituko ria rero bono banyari kubwatoka ilitari yae munachibina manyekanete buna Justice Njoki Ndungu kochia konyora ribaga asikigambiro ekenene igense ya International Criminal Court gose ICC na ekigambiro kyo nigo kibwate amabaga atano narimo ikike gutoka ase chinsemo chiri cha Hague ime ya New York na boigo chinga kicho nigo bono oyo tenenete ebigambiro Martha Koome ime igense ya Kenya bono anyarire koraria buna nigo Kenya irachie kumusira Njoki Ndungu ase obochori obo bono borachie gukorekana umutinyi oikomena kabere ase ense ekosasi chinsemo chiria cha New York.
Kenya considered putting forward a candidate in 2022, but considered deferring that decision and the candidature for 2022, allowing the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs to work in consultation with the Office of the President and the Judiciary so that we could have sufficient time for reflection, for diplomatic alignment and preparation of a stronger and more coordinated national effort. And I want to say the time is now.
I am honored by the confidence of the government of Kenya that has placed in me by nominating and supporting my candidature for the election of Judge of the International Criminal Court for the year 2027 to 2036. I accept this endorsement with humility and gratitude. Proud to do so as a Kenyan who has dedicated her professional life to the service of justice and the rule of law and the protection of human dignity. I am deeply grateful to His Excellency President William Ruto for his decisive leadership in advancing my candidature and personally introducing me to more presidents than I am sure I will ever meet, more heads of state, in order to secure support ahead of the ICC election in December. I equally acknowledge the Prime Cabinet Secretary.
Mwaziri wa mangana yebyombe na boigo bonchoriria oboke ime yense ya Kenya Muske Wycliffe Ambesa Oparanya nego bono anyari gukwanira imiroberiria serikali ebwate irikwanekya ndayanyarire gusira abonchoriria abakabake kaukwana kurase bunge ye Senate mugasorero Muske Oparanya nigo anyara kwanekya buna gwetera asio bonchoria obokoboke uchumi ya Kenya iranyari kugendera ukienigwa.
The ministry, through the state agencies, has implemented multiple initiatives to support and cushion small-scale traders against eroded profit margins caused by the rising cost of essential commodities. The ministry, through Micro Small Enterprises Authority, MSEA, has rolled out quite a number of targeted strategies and flagship projects aimed at enhancing MSME resilience, creating decent jobs, and positioning youth-owned enterprises as key drivers of inclusive economic transformation. Some of the intervention and measures include grants and affordable financing, market access platforms, capacity building, digital transformation, constituency industrial development centers, CIDCs, work sites in various markets, modern markets being built, cold storage facilities, formalization of MSME.
Na ikigambiro gosenigo ikigambiro emergency ya Kenya kigendete kurigereria ugwakwa isiko kwaye umusikeri Rigathi Gachagua na umukonyi w'umurai wensi aso mwaka wa 2024 ase ikigambiro ekyo igobono umunyagitari oyo musikeri Rigathi Gachagua bono anyari kuboroka busiwe ikigambiro na gutema kumwegerera kubwatakana na kelia agote abuna chingaki umusikeri Rigathi Gachagua aigwete bube taetwe chingaki chisaine kugenda ase bunge kwegerera gose kwegerera ribaga ryaye buno mukonyi b'umurai wensi.
Cardiologist, what significance do such symptoms have?
Your Honor, you know, chest pain has two categorizations. There's chest pain that can occur if you are going to have a heart attack, medical terms called myocardial infarction. That, when you say you have chest pain in that category,
I would refer the court to paragraph 5 of the affidavit. Basically, the questions are formulated based on what unless they specifically state exactly what is new, my lord, we request that you do allow the witness to proceed with his testimony. You have the affidavit with you? Okay. Please clarify what you meant under paragraph 5 of your affidavit.
Your Honor, paragraph 5 asks, based on my professional expertise, what do these symptoms mean?
Mwana sana umwancho murigere kendera kurigereria Getembe TV na umurobeli oraso asembeo ekekire bosio kendera koyobwati nchengoro ko Matilda Obaigwa Kevin Ongeri korwa ase studio ya kabere kendera gutwara oburigererio bya na kubwa muno gutobwati ase mitandao yeito yekerero na Getembe TV Getembe TV and FM aso mutandao ulio o TikTok.